Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Valorant error 81, an error encountered the connection, something like that. You would be receiving a message while opening a Valorant game. So if I open my Valorant, you can see here it says connection error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. And even if you have tried restarting the game, still you are getting the same problem like me. Okay, so how we have to fix? We just need to close and quit, and then we have to open a task manager by making a right click on the taskbar and then click on task manager. On Windows 11 you can use Control Shift and the escape key to open the task manager. Once you're in the task manager, you have to click on the details, and then you have to look for the Riot or the Valorant. If they are in the list here, then you have to close it. I don't see them, then that's fine. Now the solution is you have to enable the services again of VGC. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to open the run box. So press Windows and letter R key, R as in Romeo. The run box will be coming at the left hand corner, and here you have to type services.msc. Then click on OK. The services box will now be up. Now we have to look for a value for the service called VGC. So we can click anywhere and then click the V key so that we can come to the V section. Okay, here it is. You can see VGC. So what we have to do, just need to make a right click on it, then choose properties. And now you can see its startup type is set to manual, and even the service has been stopped. So what we have to do, we just need to set to automatic. Then click on start. So the services has been now start. You have to click on apply and then on OK. All right, now once done, we will open the Valorant again and let's see whether it's fixed the problem or not. Okay, now so I have to log in. So let me quickly log in with my account. Okay, so I'm now logged into my account and let's see whether it comes up properly or not, or it gives me the error again. I'm very sure that the problem will be fixed, and you can also fix the same problem by following the same simple steps. So it's coming up now. Let's see that hopefully it does not give us the error. I have fixed this problem multiple times, so make sure that in future again, if you have the same problem, you can subscribe to my channel and watch the same video in case you forgot the steps to apply this solution. Alright, so bingo, you can see now the Valorant screen is now coming up, and if I go and play, I can easily play. Alright, so this is how you can quickly fix it. But now in case due to any reason, if your game gets stuck or if you have the same problem, then you just need to make a simple restart and the problem will be fixed. So hopefully this video will help you guys, and this will also fix many other problems related to Valorant connection error. Apply the solution and enjoy the Valorant game, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.